Today my daughter Nina is going to teach me how to juggle. She just informed me she knows how to, so I want to learn. So tell me the basic concept. So first I have to practice with two.
No, you don't. You're practicing with two.
Okay.
You throw it, then you throw this one, and then you catch it, and then you catch it. So
Okay,
so like this. Throw, throw, catch, catch. That's how I learned.
Throw, throw, catch, catch. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Throw, throw, catch, catch.
Yeah. This is how the pro.
Oh, come. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Nina, I think I'm ready for the next stage. Throw, throw, catch, catch.
Okay, you want to make sure you want to make sure you're throwing this way and throwing that way.
Catch.
No, you don't want to be rotating it in one direction.
Oh.
So you cross in the middle, like. No.
That was crossing. I crossed.
Yeah, that was crossing.
I'm definitely crossing. Okay, now what?
Well, you gotta get good at that.
You can even do it squatting. You mean you're staring into nothing?
No, you're not staring at nothing, like, and you're just not doing like that. You can watch them, but you don't need to watch them land.
I'm actually not watching them land at all. See, look. I'm looking
Yeah, that's
up
good.
at them. Now I'm efficient with two.
One of the biggest problems people have is they're throwing where they can't like have consistent throws. So you want to kind of like throw it inward, like toward you, not outward. Throwing, catch.
Throwing.
Throw,
Throwing.
catch.
Okay. Oh, I don't get it! Okay.
Throw.
Nina, I need help with the third one.
What it is? Throw, catch, throw. Here, want me to draw it out for you? Throw it, catch it, throw it.
Oh! I think I almost had it. Okay.
So you have 3 balls.
I just did it, Nina!
You throw this one.
You throw that one. Oh, we got
Throw
different
this
colors.
one.
That's.
So then how do you keep going?
Catch this one. And you just keep throwing. You throw this.
Okay, that's number 4.
And then you keep going, repeat
And now
it.
I need to know what happens after 4.
What do you mean?
I need to know what happens after 4. Hang on. Oh! Did you see that? Did you see it?
Ball, second ball, third ball. Can't get all the.
Oh, okay, so that's 1. I got 1.
So you throw this ball up, obviously.
Okay, number 1.
This is your first throw.
I get it. But I can only do it 1 time. Oh, and then,
Like just relaxing the throws, easy throws.
okay.
Then your second throw is the second ball. 2.
Will you evaluate?
Yeah. You just gotta keep doing that until like you feel comfortable. Like and then go to the next step.
I don't know what the next step is.
Then this ball comes down and there's no ball in this hand because you just threw it. So you catch it. That's 3. You got the rhythm down, right?
Does it look like it?
If you can throw the first 3 times, like 1, 2, 3, do the next one. You just keep going.
I don't know how to keep going.
And then while this one's coming down, you throw this third ball, which is your 4th throw.
Brain is just like stuck.
And you throw it. When you catch it, you just throw it. And then you catch, and then with number 2, then you catch it. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, just like that, real simple. So I'm not going to be able to learn, obviously, this in one 5-minute video. So as I catch it over here, I get stuck.
Wait. Okay, when you catch it, you shouldn't be catching it. When this one's coming down, and you just throw this one and then catch it with your hand.
And just do.
I just
let it
practice
drop.
throwing that one. When it's coming back down and you're about to end, just practice just throwing it. Yeah.
Okay.
Because then it tells you like, oh, this one needs to go, and then you'll focus on catching that one. Yeah. Well, I mean that's. With watch the balls that are coming down. Hey,
How many hours of practice do you think it's taken to actually get that final?
Oh my gosh, did you see that?